Hey everyone, welcome back to USA Tech Deals. Today we're checking out some of the best slushy machines for home use. If you've ever wanted cafe-style frozen drinks or fun summer slushies right at home, this video is for you. A slushie machine is a kitchen gadget that freezes and mixes your favorite drinks into smooth, icy slushies. It's perfect for family gatherings, kids' parties, or even frozen cocktails at home. This is an all-in-one slushie machine that's easy to use. It has auto-clean function for quick cleaning. Works quietly compared to blenders. Great for everyday slushies at home. Next is the Ninja slushi machine. This one is a bit more advanced. Uses rapid chill technology for smooth frozen drinks. Has a large 88-ounce capacity, perfect for parties. Offers multiple preset programs for slushies, frozen cocktails, and more. The Cheval's slushie machine is another great choice. Designed for making slushies and margaritas. Comes with easy programs for different drinks. Best for people who love variety and convenience. And finally, this professional self-cleaning slushie machine. Large capacity for family or small events. Self-cleaning mode makes it easy to maintain. Perfect if you want something long-lasting and reliable. To keep it simple, everyday home use, go for the all-in-one slushie machine. Parties and large batches, Ninja slushi. Cocktails and variety, Cheval's. Professional feel and easy maintenance, self-cleaning slushie machine. So whether you're making a summer slushie, a frozen margarita, or just a fun treat for the kids, these machines are a great addition to your kitchen. I've added all the Amazon links in the description below. Check them out for the latest prices and deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more reviews and tech deals from USA Tech Deals. Your one like keeps me motivated to bring you more tech product reviews, insights, hottest deals, and discounts. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Steve Hoogan signing off now. See you in the next video.